Welcome in the shack of OE3JTB.
New light for your vintage gear? If you've been using a Yaesu rotor controller for a while, you probably know the drill. Sooner or later, the original bulbs just give up the ghost. But there's a bigger problem. Those stock bulbs run so hot they can actually melt the plexiglass cover. Just take a look at these pictures. The good news? The fix is incredibly simple and costs next to nothing. You can forget about overpriced replacement boards or messy DIY projects with resistors. The perfect solution is 12V COB LEDs. The price is unbeatable. I got a pack of 10 for just $140, which is only 14 cents per bulb. Plus, they're 38 mm long, so they're a perfect drop-in fit for the original sockets. You can even pick your favorite color. I went with a deep blue and it looks fantastic. Installation only takes a few minutes. Just keep an eye on the polarity. I marked mine with a red dot to make it easy. The result is a clean, modern look that stays cool and won't damage your gear. Give it a try and enjoy the upgrade. 73.